Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start immediately. Hold your baby slightly upright at about 30 to 45 degrees to ease drainage and breathing. Once steady, place 2 to 3 saline drops into each nostril and wait 30 to 60 seconds so mucus loosens. After that, gently insert a bulb syringe or suction device just into the nostril and compress slowly before release. This pulls mucus out without deep probing. Make sure to wipe the tip. Repeat once per side if needed, and keep your voice calm to soothe them. Once the main passages are clearer, you can use a small electric aspirator if available for gentler, controlled suction. Glide the tip at the nostril entrance only, avoiding deep insertion. Meanwhile, run a cool mist humidifier in the room for 20 to 40 minutes to thin secretions and reduce congestion. Position it safely away from the crib. Also make sure feeds are smaller and upright, and burp frequently so milk doesn't worsen nasal blockage. These steps combine to help breathing during the next. To put your baby down, settle them semi-upright on a firm surface or approved incline so drainage continues. Place a light blanket and dim the lights to cue sleep. Once done, maintain room temperature around 20 to 22 degrees Celsius and low-volume white noise to soothe and regulate breathing. If you notice persistent labored breathing, blue lips or tongue, high fever, poor feeding, or lethargy, seek immediate medical care. Otherwise, try another saline and suction cycle and continue monitoring until they rest.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.